Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 13th day of May 2025. Just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. As always, trades of the day are trades that are taken in the room, either by myself or traders in the room. And today is no exception. So let's go through the setup here today. Notice we had multiple failures. There's Fibonacci reasons why the failures occurred up here. And we wait for the failures. We get a very strong candle, but that strong candle ran into a brick wall right here. So the next candle pushes up. We again fail, and then this candle pushes through that brick wall. This is an extremely good signal to take short. Now, there is a lot of risk involved, so we're going to have to go for a larger target. I expect the next candle to be anywhere from 70 to 90 ticks in length. So, given the fact that we have failed so often at this level, this has a huge potential to the downside. So, our ATM, we're going to go for 20s, 50s, and 100, and de-risking the trade as we always do after our first target is hit. So, we're going to let that go and see how we go. Start it up. We like to wait for the retrace. Now, we didn't have a chance to get a cover order on this one. So there's the cover order on now. Love a little bit of a retrace here. Yep. All right, first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs. Last failure point, and then we just let this thing roll out. Now we get a bit of a retrace now, so we're in a little bit early, but that's okay. Now watch what happens. Now, when our first target's taken out, what happens? Our risk goes to nothing. Seconds are out, so 20s and 50s are out. The worst that can happen is it comes out and takes me out at minus 18. It's still a positive trade. And even if it does take us out at minus 18 here, I get to put another trade on and we'll give it a rocket and rolling. I'm not sure whether that happens this time or not. But we'll get another order ready in case it does come out and take us back. Now, we've gotten 90 ticks so far. So if this comes back and takes us out at minus 18, we're still 72 ticks in profit. And we get an opportunity to try it again. Looks like it's going to take more than one candle, perhaps. Yep, there we go. All right. That trade right there was worth 970 US dollars and took a little more than 6 minutes to complete. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in less than 6 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at samuraidaytrading.com. Go to samuraidaytrading.com and join us in the live trading room soon. God bless you. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow for the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Have a great day.